Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V70 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to tap on this settings icon in the right upper corner. And the second bar is connected with the timer. So you can see that we've got 4 different options here. So off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option. It should be immediately highlighted. And now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course, if you'd like to turn off the timer, just tap on the settings icon again and tap on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.